Guys, if you're someone who enjoys quiet environments and you don't like so much noise, then you may be interested in the remote jobs that I'm going to be sharing with you here in this video. All you need to get started is to have an internet connection and a laptop to be able to do this job, and in some cases you will need a headset because you have to listen to what you have to do to be able to do your job well. And the best part is you don't really need to have tons of experience or have a degree to be able to do this job. All you need is just to be able to be accurate and have a speed when it comes to typing. So to be able to know your accuracy and your speed, you just have to go to Google and search for typing tests, and you're going to see a lot of them. There are some websites like typingclub.com, and there's also typing tests where you can practice typing and be able to do this job well. So once you are good and you have known your speed and accuracy, you can now go over to these websites where you can find these jobs that can allow you to do typing or transcription or data entry without so much stress. And the first one we're going to talk about is one that will pay you instantly to do this job, and all you have to do is make yourself available. This website also says that they have tons of jobs that are always available. It's not left for you to decide on which one to do. They don't need you to have any resume to be able to make application. You don't need to do any interview or have tons of experience to get started on the website. So if you come to the platform, so this is what the website looks like. As you can see, they are a dedicated community of freelance transcriptionists working to create video captions for deaf and hard to hear people, like people that have difficulties with language and hearing and speaking and stuff like that. So you can see here you work on your own schedule, and it's just a few minutes that's required of you. So to get started, you have to sign up on their work market, and this is a place where people that are looking for freelancers come and they find freelancers that can do things like transcription, writing and translation and stuff like that. Then you're going to have your application reviewed within 24 hours, and the payment method on this platform is usually PayPal or even direct bank transfer. Now, from my research, this platform says it's available worldwide, like they're open to receiving anybody from all over the world. So all you have to do is just to make yourself available. So to get started, to join them, you have to set up your account, and once you have set up your account, you start looking for jobs that will suit you. Now, in most cases, there are bilingual jobs here that you can also find. So if to get started, for people in the US and Canada, you click here, and for bilingual Spanish speakers, you click here. So these are the other information you may want to learn about this website to get started working on this platform. So I did not really get to see how much you get to earn, but from my research, you can earn anywhere from $3 to $9 per audio hour, per audio minute you transcribe on this platform. So you might want to check it out. Now, another one we're going to talk about is another one that will allow you to pick your job, and on this platform they pay you twice in a week. That is on Tuesday and Thursdays every week. You're going to receive your payment, and to get started on this platform, you have to start as a beginner, and most times you're going to be earning from 0.25 cents to $2.25 doing transcription jobs on this platform. So if you come to the platform, this is basically what it looks like. It says work when you want, and there's no upfront investments to work here on this platform. So you can get paid on time. Of course, you pick the job you want. So for people that are looking to transcribe, you can see you earn 25 cents to $2.50 on this platform, and if you're going to be working as a translator, you earn $2 to $5 per minute working on this platform. And if you're interested, you can come here where it says apply now, and then you click on apply to be able to get started. So you have to know that there are so many factors that can influence how much you're going to earn really on this platform. Things like the language you're transcribing and the length of the file you're transcribing. Those are some of the factors that may determine how much you can actually earn on this platform, so you bear that in mind. So another one I want to talk about is another platform where you can find this type of jobs. Now, on this platform, all you need is a good typing speed and strong command of English language, both in writing and in speaking. So wherever you are, as long as you have these three things that I mentioned, you are qualified to apply to this platform. Now, the website is quite tricky because it's just plain, there's nothing here. And here, if you come to the website, you can see that it says work from home with flexible hours, and then you join their vibrant communities of transcribers and other stuff. Now, another thing you have to know about this platform is that you can sign up with your Facebook account, or you can log in directly to the website to get to your dashboard. Now, this website did not really show much on the platform, but from my research, there are lots of things that surround the website. Things like the amount you start to earn, they pay really very low, like a few cents to a few dollars for a project that you completed. And most times from my research, they don't really get to have a lot of jobs for people, but they are available globally. So if you're interested, maybe if the dollar value in your country is quite high, you might want to give it a try. Maybe by the time you convert it, it will turn out to be a big amount of money, but it's not really favorable for people staying in the United States. So you might want to check it out. The name of the website is Q&A Worldly. You might want to check it out. Now the next one we're going to talk about is for people in the United States. Now this website is for people that are interested in doing legal transcription. This transcription method is very, very important because you have to be accurate. Like any mistake you make can cause a big problem, so that's why you have to be very, very accurate, and this job requires a lot of attention to be able to do the job well. So if you come to the platform, this is what the website looks like. The name of the platform is Scribers, and you work remotely, and then there is 24/7 tech support, and of course assistance tools for efficient transcribing. But that is something that is very outstanding on this platform. They will give you some tools to help you do your job, things like headsets, so you have that in mind as well. So these are some of the other things that you have to know about setting up your legal transcription and all those kind of stuff. So if you're interested to join this platform, you click here where it says apply today. Then you're going to see jobs. At the moment there are 26 jobs, and you can see them here on this place. So depending on the one you're interested in, you can see that most of them are available in the United States. So you can click it to check to know the requirements and the responsibilities, compensations, and all this stuff here that you may want to know, and then the onboarding process that you may want to know about. So you might want to check it out. Now, I did not really get to see the exact amount you're going to earn on this platform, but from my research, you can earn anywhere from $10 to $20 per hour doing transcription job on this platform, because it's a very high-paying transcription and needs people that are very good, skilled, and have the attention that is needed to do the job well. So if you're in the United States, you might want to check it out. Now, another one you might want to consider is a platform that always hire freelancers from their platform or from Upwork. Now they're always having jobs on this platform, but it's important for me to let you know that you must be eligible to work in the United States to be able to work on this platform. And another thing is you must be 18 years and above to be able to work on this platform. So if you come here, this is basically what it looks like, and it says 3 easy steps to get started. Is sign up, work, and then you get paid. Now to learn details about other things you need to know about this platform, you click here where it says check out the FAQ, and then you're going to see everything you need to know about your account, type of jobs, your dashboard, and everything. You're going to see answers to all these queries here, and it's going to help you to understand better everything, including the payment method, how your work can get accepted, and how much you stand to earn on this platform. Now, this platform pays anywhere from 8.5 cents to $1 per audio minute. I think this is the lowest so far, but if you're in the United States, this is quite easy to get into, and they can pay you via direct bank transfer and also PayPal. So you might want to check it out if you're interested. The name of the platform is Casting World. So the last one I want to talk about is one that is available globally, and like they have been in business for a long time. They are quite popular, and they are always having jobs. Like when it comes to transcription, this is the website that comes to mind to most people that are looking to have transcription service, or people that are willing to offer these transcription jobs. So but before I review this website, please, if you've seen value so far, take a time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're really grateful to all of you that have been supporting us in one way or the other. Thank you so much. So the name of the website is rev.com. Now on this platform, they say you can earn anywhere from $1,285 per month, that is if you're a top earner, to $245 a month if you're a beginner. But the thing is, you have to position yourself well to be able to do this job, and they will need you to do some typing tests to be able to get started, so they know how you can do the job and to learn about your accuracy and your speed while doing this job. So if you come to the platform, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, the payment is done weekly and it is via PayPal, so you must have a PayPal account to be able to get started. Average earning per month is $245, and top monthly earning is $1,495 a month. So you have to be very good to be able to do this job. And the good thing is you have to choose the time that you're going to work. These are the companies that have worked with Rev, and if you're interested in working with Rev, you just come down here and sign up to be a Rev transcriptionist, and then you wait on for your application to be approved, and if everything goes well, you become a Rev transcriptionist, and then you'll be getting jobs and you'll be doing these jobs at your own pace, at your own time. Now if you're looking for other remote or from home jobs that you can do apart from typing jobs, or you want to learn how to position yourself or to get a job with your CV, now check out this video showing on your screen. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.